How to fix Uber driver app not working? Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your app store. Now search for the app Uber. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Open this option General. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, head towards the app Uber Driver. Open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Solution 3, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this. Now head towards your Uber Driver app. For that, you have to long press on your Uber Driver app. Now click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app from your device, launch your app store. Search for the app Uber Driver. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Uber Driver app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.